Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to increase text and icon size on your Mac. So first open Finder, then on the menu bar click on View, and then go to Show View Options. So over here you can see icon size is currently set to 64 by 64 right now. I can increase or decrease it. So as you can see, it is increasing and decreasing. You can also set the grid spacing. So I can increase it or decrease it as per my liking. And over here you can see text size. I can currently it is set to 12. I can increase it to 16 or decrease it to 10. You can also change the label position. You can keep it to the right side or you can keep it to the bottom. You can also change if you want to see if you want the folder to show the item info, and you can also change the show icon preview. So that is how you increase the text and icon size on your Mac. Thank you.